So I am a Jamaican living in Australia, right? And I've always been hearing that crocodiles in Australia are very friendly. So I'm actually at this river. This location is actually crocodile infested water. And I just want to find this out for myself because I'm very curious, you know. Oh, what was that? Something just jumped from the tree. Oh my God, this place is full of wildlife. I'm telling you. But let me show you the location. Yeah, so this is full of wildlife, trust me. Crocodile infested water, venomous snakes, and all of these things are here. So I need to find out if I can call in a croc. So them told me that all I need to do is splash. Crocky, croc, where are you? I heard that they're very friendly, so, and I can actually play with them. So I'll be waiting for a croc to show up any moment now. Crocky, come on. Still waiting. All right, so today is my bad day. I cannot find any croc, so I guess they're out feeding. So until next time, I'll be searching until I find a crocodile. And also stay tuned for when I wrestle a venomous snake.